Wait, TikTok ads is already showing in Nigeria. I mean, targeting Nigerian using TikTok ads. Now, originally, TikTok ads is not something that has been rolled out to Nigerians already. Now imagine yourself, TikTok being one of the most trending social media right now, being able to target Nigerians on TikTok ads. I'm going to show you proof. I am very sure I'm not the only one that has been seeing ads on TikTok being in Nigeria right now. In fact, I'm going to show you on my screen right now. Check it out. Here is a particular ad showing on my account while I'm in Nigeria on my screen about Glovo. If I should click on that share button right now, I pause the video, click on that share button, and you're going to see something like about ad. Click on it, and you're going to see that TikTok knows that I'm in Nigeria, your primary location, Nigeria. Here is another ad from a regular guy. If I click on that share button, click on about ad, you're going to see your primary location, Nigeria. You understand? So now, listen to me very carefully. I am going to show you how to target Nigerians using TikTok advertising, that is using TikTok ads. Whether you are using your phone or you want to use your laptop, this is actually going to work for you. The biggest challenge that I'm going to be having is I'm not going to be posting it here. If now you go post on here, or you want me to post it in this place, and so that TikTok can just come and make they just buy and come out, you understand, destroy the updates. Now this is it. I have prepared a guide that will show you how you can be able to run TikTok ads in Nigeria and target Nigerians using your TikTok advertising. And by so doing, you can be able to get Nigerian customers on TikTok using TikTok advertising to Nigerians. What you need to do right now is you need to chat this number you see on the screen, or you will see a link in the description box that will lead you to my WhatsApp inbox. We can be able to discuss. I can decide to make it for free, and I can decide to charge for it. I said the reason why I cannot post it here is because you know the thing now, you know the drill. So I will see you on the other side. Thank you.